Welcome to a 101-plus acre Kentucky farm, where rolling pastures, a converted dairy barn home, a private stocked pond, and fully fenced farmland come together to create a true legacy property. Whether you're dreaming of a working farm, horse estate, hunting retreat, or private family compound, this remarkable property offers the space, infrastructure, and privacy to make it all possible. From the moment you arrive, it's easy to understand why properties like this stay in the same family for generations. Surrounded by open countryside and mature woods with no visible neighbors, the farm delivers complete privacy while offering approximately 60 acres of productive tillable ground ready for crops, horses, or livestock. A natural spring flows through the property. Abundant wildlife roams the land, and outstanding hunting opportunities make this a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. At the center of the farm sits one of the property's most unique features, a beautifully converted dairy barn, originally built in 1959 and transformed into a custom residence in 1997. Blending rustic character with modern comfort, the home has been meticulously maintained and recently updated with a new roof, new HVAC system, fresh interior and exterior paint, and a tankless water heater, making it completely move-in ready. Inside, the spacious layout features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, multiple living areas, and a formal dining room designed for family gatherings. 2 wood-burning fireplaces create a warm, inviting atmosphere, while the primary bedroom includes its own gas fireplace for added comfort. Balconies on both the front and rear of the home provide beautiful views across the surrounding farmland, and the concrete lower level naturally stays cool during the warmer months. Step outside and you'll discover an incredible outdoor living area centered around a massive covered stone fireplace, creating the perfect place to entertain throughout every season. The property continues to impress with a heated and cooled tack room complete with water, a private stocked pond featuring its own boathouse with electricity, 3 RV hookups, an asphalt driveway, and well water with no monthly water bill.